Okay, I've gotten at least 2 questions about this problem already, so I'm just going to make a quick help video. So in each case, we're looking to write the equation of y equals mx plus b form. So you have these blanks, your m and your b, your slope and your y-intercept. So the first thing you want to do is identify what the slope is. If we're looking for a parallel line, that means that we have the same slope, right? So my slope is 2 fifths, and that's actually going to be my first blank, all right? So in the next 2, go ahead and identify what the slope is for perpendicular and parallel. This one, you need to find the slope. All right, so do some algebra steps. Find the slope by getting the y equals alone, all right? So that's your first step. The second step then is to write an equation. Now, you're given a point and you're given a slope. So if you're given a point and a slope, the first step is to put it into a point slope form. So y subtract y1, right? If I subtract the negative, it's like adding, equals the slope and then x subtract x1. Now that's not the way my answer wants to be written, right? To fill it into this blank, I'm given y equals something x plus something, right? That's kind of what my end goal is. So I'm going to first distribute this 2 fifths to what's inside of the parentheses. And then subtract 1 from both sides. Now there's actually 2 different ways you can write your answer. You can write it as a fraction, and that's fine, 2 fifths x minus 7 fifths, or you can write it as a decimal, all right? Both of those are fine. What I do want to point out is when you're putting it in for the blanks, you need to include the negative with that 7 fifths, or full credit, and it's just fine, fraction or decimal. If you fill in y equals 2 fifths is 0.4, so 0.4 or 0.4 x, and then negative 1 point, or is it? Let's see. Yeah, 1.4. Negative 1.4. Both of those should be counted correct in the Schoology. So go ahead and follow the same process for B and C.